fair bit of brakes here. We're taking a very, very, very narrow line of pit exit. And remember, just a dash of brake before we get into the end. That little bit of brake kind of helps settle the car down as we start to flow through the exit. Same thing kind of here, about just before the scaffolding, that really helps to set the nose back down. And the cars might be a little loose right now. They haven't been driven in a minute, so we're just still kind of going to put the temperature back into the tires. Cruising up the hill, it's just kind of a little bit before that. Turning cone is really kind of where we want to start making the left at turn 10 and good firm press the brakes here down at 211. So again, try to maintain a bit of that braking all the way just past that inside marker, and then we're squeezing on the power. Trying to get the car slowed right on down. So the deceiving turn 12. It's very easy to overspeed through 12. Same thing here, the right hander 13. Very easy to overspeed here. Just get the car nice and gentle here. And then we can kind of pick up speed again using the throttle to widen our radius there. And then brake. All the way up again. Just trying to get the braking down, get the braking to keep the nose down as we round. Another tight left hander. Again, try not to accelerate where you need brakes before the next section, using the throttle modulation to balance out the car and braking across. Okay, so I think what we'll do, guys, let's go ahead and get that position change done, because obviously the car order was very different. So when we get onto the front straight here, we'll go ahead and do one position change. I think it's going to put us right back to where we want to be. Still up front here, car 1, I'm going to have you go left. Car 1, I'm going to have you go left. Everybody else will kind of go around, and then we'll get right back to where we want to be. And braking up the hill. Again, same thing here. We can kind of carry a bit of that brake all the way to the inside marker. Light tap the brake as we get into the exit. It really just kind of helps the car settle down, giving us that grip across all 4 tires. Again, same thing here. A little bit of that brake really helps the car kind of get to that inside curving as we transition from right to left. And the defer brake all the way down into the inside mark of 11 there. Braking as we get ready for turn 12. We use the brake to get into the corner, and then here we can use a little throttle to widen the radius. again, using the brake to get all the way into that inside marker there.